My mom, 21 years old, turning 90. And thank you for all the sacrifices and the service you have done to us. And for the next life, I want you to be my mother.
Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mom. We love you, Mom. Thanks for everything.
Janice.
Siliana ninyo! Oh,
Oh, mga picture.
yan na.
Pwede ba dyan?
Pass the love, pass the love, pass the love. Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, happy
Angel.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle, mother.
Thank you for all this nice preparation you made for me. Thank you, Lord.
Blow the candle. Make a wish, Mom.
Make a wish. I will bless you more good health.
Another 20 years to go.
Yes.
Lord have mercy.
Okay, I will blow now. I have to blow the whole house.
Yes.
Okay.
Yolanda po.
Oh, sorry.
What is your wish?
Alright, keep going.
Wow. See? For
Thank you for everything you've done to me. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank
you.
The knife, knife.
Thank you.
The knife, the knife.
What are we? We're butchering the cake? It's okay. Oh, you go upstairs. Okay. That's why I said Manana.
It's mano and health. I'll have that. Please.
Baka maano sa mata.
Hindi dyan. That's the small ones. Yeah.
There's no finger in your mouth. What happens?
Where's the knife?
Behind you.